Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make Instagram background dark for Apple. In order to make this change, your device must be updated to iOS 13. We cannot make this change from the Instagram application on the Apple device. You can change this option in your device settings. Now we are going to settings. Click on the display and brightness. Then we replace light with dark. Now your Instagram background is dark. If you say that is not for me to deal with this much, there is an easier way. If you sweep down from the top right of the screen and hold the brightness part on the incoming screen, it will direct to a page. If you turn on the dark mode, the process will be completed. When we click on Instagram, we will see the result. Now you are free to hang out in dark mode on Instagram. I hope it helps you. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Please subscribe the channel, like and share the video.